Good afternoon, students. Some test series is coming up, so you kindly monitor those changes or how we could be able to use modal verbs properly in a sentence. As you will be having some 5 or 6 marks question on based on that. All my class 10 and 12 students, I will request you all to kindly monitor those changes, and if at all it is there, so you must put your efforts towards this direction. These model verbs test series 1 is coming up. Supply suitable models. From those brackets we have to supply. Like we dash love our country. So it's a modal obligation. So we should supply should. We should love our country. The second sentence is I or we dash hire a taxi. So it is sometimes a practical liability for us to do. So we can take should model with that. He dash come today. So here we can again go for this should. So should he should. Sometimes we expect someone to visit us. So that way we use should. Then the fourth one is you dash do your duty. Here again this moral compulsion is there. So should we should take should. We dash respect our elders. Again this moral obligation is involved. So we ought to respect our elders. I or we dash swim across the river. So it's a case of capability or ability, you can say. So here we should go for this can swim across the. You dash not rag the newcomer. So moral this compulsion is involved. So here we can should. Should is the word. He dash join this job. So should. He does tell the truth. Sometimes we expect someone to tell us truth. We should use should. Dash you climb a palm tree. So it shows our ability. It is regarding our ability whether we can perform that work or not. So here we can use can. Can you be careful lest always take should with it. Be careful lest you should fall into mud. One dash do one's duty sincerely. Moral obligation, so should. Dash 13 dash you drive a car. Would or can. Here would or can, both choice can be here can follow. But if we do can, it will be more accurate as it is regarding ability. So we should take can you drive a car. We dash follow the traffic rules. It's a moral obligation. So we should place modal verb should. Yesterday I dash not join the party. Here some past tense adverb is there. So out of could and would, could will be the more suitable choice. So yesterday I could not join the party. So likewise you should be able to use modal verbs properly according to the context, and we must be well versed in this portion of grammar. So later on one more test series will be followed tomorrow. Today one syntax is coming up shortly.